Welcome everybody. So today, as you can see, we're going to talk about the gravitational force, which is a force that is felt by any object with mass. For example, the ball here is going to feel a gravitational force by any other object out there that has some mass to it. Really common examples of things that might act big gravitational forces are planets. This is Mars here. That's a really canonical example. Obviously, the Earth is another one. And so any object that has mass, m, is going to feel a gravitational force. And I'll often want to label the mass of the object that is feeling the gravitational force. I might decide to call that ma for object A. That, in this example, might be the tennis ball that I have here. And we're going to model the gravitational force as the mass of the object that's feeling the force, so this mass right here, times a quantity called the gravitational field, which we will use the symbol little g for the gravitational field. So here is my gravitational field. Little g, and the gravitational field is a vector, so I'll put my little vector symbol on it. And like I said, what we're going to do is model the gravitational force, which I'm going to label with a superscript to indicate that this is the gravitational force here, as the mass of the object times the gravitational field. And like I said, I'm interested here in the gravitational force on object A, so I'm going to add my little subscript A here for the mass. And I might also then want to say, well, I want the gravitational force on A by object B, where object B is the one that is then creating this gravitational field. We'll talk a lot more about fields when we get to Physics 213, but for now, this is probably the only one that we are going to encounter at the moment. So for you to get started here, now that we have defined the gravitational force in terms of mass and this gravitational field, what I would like you to do is think for a few moments about what kind of thing this gravitational field must be, this new quantity that we have invented to help us with the gravitational force. I want you to think about what you think it is.